A is for apple, A, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice, ice. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mango, mango. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rat, rat. S is for sun, sun. T is for toy, toy. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, fan. W is for watch, watch. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Bye-bye, kids! See you again! Subscribe our channel at How Tiny Smart World.